Hello. In this session, I want to discuss phase 5 of EMDR, installation. This phase focuses on integrating adaptive, new, and usually more positive information into those distressing networks that we desensitize to in phase 4. So I like to think of this as the phase where we create a bridge between the old negative networks, maybe such as I feel trapped or I am trapped, along with the more positive networks. So an example of a positive network might be I am free or I am capable. So back when that I am trapped network was a trauma network, you might remember that it's very isolated and it's impervious to new information getting in. But now that we've desensitized to that network and we've loosened it and it's no longer a trauma network, we have this opportunity to integrate it with more adaptive information. And that's exactly what phase 5 aims to do. So I'm going to take you through phase 5 step by step so that you know how to begin creating a bridge between the previous more negative network and now a more positive network, so that the next time that old network is activated, you can begin engaging in more positive self-talk right away.